Hi everyone! Welcome back to Smart ESL Path, your place to learn English the smart and easy way.
Today, we are going to learn for, since, and ago in English. These three words all talk about time, but they are used in different ways, and many English learners confuse them. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use for, since, and ago naturally and correctly in real conversations. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me when you hear the examples.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to support our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
First, let's talk about for. We use for to talk about a period of time, how long something lasts. For answers the question, how long? We often use for with the present perfect, but it can also be used with other tenses. Listen to these examples. I have lived here for 5 years. She has worked at this company for a long time. We can use for with many time expressions, for 2 days, for 3 hours, for a week, for many years. Now listen carefully. I studied English for 3 hours yesterday. Here we use the past simple, but for still shows duration. Remember, for tells us how long, not when it started.
Now let's move on to since. We use since to talk about the starting point in time. Since answers the question, from when? We usually use since with the present perfect tense. Listen to these examples. I have lived here since 2020. She has known him since childhood. We use since with a specific time or specific event. Since Monday, since last year, since I was a child, since the meeting ended. Now compare these two sentences. I have lived here for 5 years. I have lived here since 2020. They have the same meaning, but the focus is different. For focuses on duration. Since focuses on the starting point. We do not use since with a period of time like 5 years or 3 hours.
This is wrong. I have lived here since 5 years. This is correct. I have lived here for 5 years. Now let's talk about ago. Ago is different from for and since. We use ago to talk about a time in the past, counting back from now. Ago answers the question, how long before now? We usually use ago with the past simple tense, not the present perfect. Listen to these examples. I moved here 2 years ago. She left the office an hour ago. They met each other a long time ago. Important rule. We do not use ago with the present perfect. This is wrong. I have moved here 2 years ago. This is correct. I moved here 2 years ago. Part 4. Now let's compare for, since, and ago together. Listen carefully. For, I have worked here for 10 years. Since, I have worked here since 2015. Ago, I started working here 10 years ago. All three sentences talk about time, but they are used differently. For equals duration, since equals starting point, ago equals time before now. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I have studied English for 3 years. I have studied English since high school. I started studying English 3 years ago. Part 5. Quick quiz. For, since, or ago.
Hey, you look relaxed today.
I am. I've been at home this morning. I am. I've been at home since this morning.
Really? How long have you been resting?
I've been resting a few hours. I've been resting for a few hours.
When did you finish work?
I finished work 3 days ago. I finished work 3 days ago.
Nice. What have you been doing today?
I've been reading a book at 10 a.m. and listening to music. I've been reading a book since 10 a.m. and listening to music.
How long have you been reading?
I've been reading for about an hour. I've been reading for about an hour.
When did you start the book?
I started it an hour. I started it an hour ago.
Have you been staying home all day?
Yes, I've stayed home since the morning.
Great job for staying until the end of the lesson.
If you want to improve your English faster, listen again. Repeat the sentences out loud and try to make your own examples using for, since, and ago.
Now comment your own example below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English practice.